Hey, little artist! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're going to draw a special friend, big and colorful elephant.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm the biggest land animal on the earth.
First, let's draw an oval shape for the elephant's head.
My head is like a giant.
Now, let's add bright and shiny eyes.
I have great eyesight.
Hey! Why are your ears so big?
My big ears help me stay cool. I can flap them like a fan.
Haha! Wonderful! Now the fun part, the long trunk.
Aha! My trunk is like a super tool. I can pick up food and drink water.
Whoa! Look at squirting colorful water drops everywhere.
Ha! I can even squirt water with my trunk.
Ho-ho! Next, let's draw long, sharp tusks.
My tusks help me strip bark from trees.
Haha! Now, draw the big body.
Elephant's body can weigh as much as a school bus.
Oh! Let's add 4 big legs and feet.
I have thick legs to carry heavy body.
Hey, what sound do elephants make? Aha! Let's draw the short and stubby tail with little tuft at the end.
My tail is like a fly swatter.
Wow!
Let's add a grassy background for our elephant to stand on.
Some flowers too, to make it extra pretty.
Draw the lines darker to make the elephant stand out. Now, it's time to color our elephant. Pink ears. Rainbow color trunk.
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo.
Violet.
Pink.
Aha!
Dark pink. Light blue color face. What do you eat to stay so big and strong?
I love munching on grass, leaves and fruits.
That sounds yummy and healthy. Dark blue color body and legs. Can you tell us where you live?
I like to hang out in forests, grasslands and near rivers.
Colorful water drops. Green color grass. And there we have it, a colorful elephant.
You kids did an amazing job. Stay strong and bold.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!